Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp contacts if they're not showing in Android. Now we're going to swipe up and open up your settings if you haven't done so already. So close out of WhatsApp, open up your settings. And we're going to first just scroll to the bottom and you'll be able to see, there it is. Then we're going to tap on apps. Now the first thing we're going to check is the WhatsApp settings. So let's scroll down to the bottom and tap on WhatsApp. Now within here, the first thing that you can do is just tap on permissions here. And after we tap on permissions, you can see there is contacts. Let's tap on it and make sure this is set to allow. However, if this doesn't fix it, it's fairly easy to get it fixed. Let's just hit the back button here until we get to the app section. And then we're going to scroll up until we get to the contacts app. So scroll up until you can find C and tap on contacts. The first thing we're going to do is tap on permissions. This sounds simple, but we're going to tap on contacts and make sure the contacts app has access to your contacts. So make sure it's set to allow. The next thing we're going to do is tap back and back again. And we're going to tap on contact settings at the very top. And now from here, let's scroll down and go to sync contact accounts. Make sure all of your contact accounts, your emails are turned on here. And at the very bottom, tap on sync. If this still doesn't work for you, what we're going to do is if the WhatsApp app is open, let's just close out of it completely. And potentially you can press and hold on it and tap on the little I at the top right. Now from here, we can scroll down to storage and we can try clearing the cache and clearing the data for the app and then making sure there are updates. If there are any, just install those. After we've done that, we can tap on the little plus and you should be able to see here it says contacts in WhatsApp and they should all be synced up on your WhatsApp account.